Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the refreshing world of mint. Whether you love it in your tea, as a garnish on your favorite dishes, or in the form of essential oils, mint is a versatile herb that has captured the hearts and taste buds of many. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 most popular mint varieties that you should definitely know about. So let's get started. First up, we have the classic peppermint. This variety is perhaps the most famous of all mints. Known scientifically as Mentha taps piperita, peppermint is a hybrid of watermint and spearmint. It boasts a strong, invigorating flavor that makes it a favorite for teas, candies, and even desserts. The leaves of peppermint are dark green with a purplish hue, and they have a distinctive serrated edge. Peppermint's high menthol content is what gives it that characteristic cooling effect. It's often used in medicinal applications too. Many people turn to peppermint oil for relief from headaches, digestive issues, and even respiratory problems. Just a few drops of peppermint oil in a diffuser can help clear your sinuses and invigorate your senses. Whether you're sipping a warm cup of peppermint tea or enjoying a peppermint patty, this mint variety is sure to leave you feeling refreshed. Next on our list is spearmint, known scientifically as Mentha spicata. This mint variety is sweeter and milder compared to peppermint, making it an ideal choice for culinary uses. Spearmint is the mint you're most likely to find in your favorite cocktails, like the classic mojito, or as a garnish on lamb dishes. Its bright green leaves are softer and have a more rounded shape than those of peppermint. Spearmint is also popular in chewing gum and toothpaste, thanks to its pleasant flavor. But did you know that spearmint has its own set of health benefits? Research suggests that it may help with digestion and alleviate nausea. It's also a great natural remedy for bad breath. So next time you're enjoying a refreshing drink or cooking up a delicious meal, consider adding some fresh spearmint leaves for an extra burst of flavor. Moving on, we come to the delightful chocolate mint, or Mentha piperita chocolate. As the name suggests, this variety offers a unique twist with its subtle chocolate aroma and flavor. The leaves have a dark green hue with a hint of purple, and they can add a delightful touch to desserts or even savory dishes. Chocolate mint is perfect for infusing in creams or sauces, and it can elevate a simple dessert to something extraordinary. Imagine a chocolate mint mousse or a mint-infused hot chocolate. Beyond its culinary uses, chocolate mint can also be enjoyed in teas, providing a warming and comforting experience. If you're a chocolate lover, this mint variety is a must-try. Next, we have pineapple mint, known scientifically as Mentha suaveolens variegata. This variety is a visual treat with its striking green and white variegated leaves. The aroma is reminiscent of pineapple, which makes it a fantastic addition to fruit salads and tropical dishes. Pineapple mint is often used in cocktails, smoothies, and even as a garnish for desserts. One of the best things about pineapple mint is its ornamental value. It can be a beautiful addition to your garden or indoor plant collection. The unique leaves and delightful scent make it a favorite among gardeners and culinary enthusiasts alike. If you want to impress your guests with something a little different, consider using pineapple mint in your next recipe. It's sure to be a conversation starter. Finally, we arrive at the vibrant and fragrant catmint, or Nepeta cataria. While it's not a true mint, it belongs to the mint family and shares some similarities. Catmint is known for its attractive purple flowers and aromatic leaves. It's often used in gardens to attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. Interestingly, catmint has a reputation for being a favorite among cats. The leaves contain compounds that can induce playful behavior in our feline friends. However, it's also used in herbal teas and has calming properties for humans as well. Catmint tea is said to help with anxiety and promote relaxation. If you're looking for a way to unwind after a long day, steeping some catmint leaves in hot water might just do the trick. So there you have it, the top 5 most popular mint varieties you should know about. From the classic peppermint to the unique chocolate mint, each variety brings its own flavor, aroma, and benefits to the table. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast, a culinary explorer, or simply someone who enjoys a good cup of tea, these mint varieties are worth adding to your repertoire. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to discuss how you can incorporate these mints into your daily life. You can grow your own mint plants at home, which is surprisingly easy and rewarding. Mint thrives in pots or garden beds, and it's a great way to ensure you have fresh leaves on hand whenever you need them. You can also experiment with different recipes. Try adding fresh mint to salads, smoothies, or even your morning oatmeal for an unexpected twist. Mint-infused water is another refreshing option, perfect for hot summer days. Just toss a few sprigs into your water pitcher and let it steep for a while. Thanks for joining us on this minty adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear about your favorite mint varieties and how you use them in your cooking or gardening. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of herbs and flavors.